In this video, you're going to be looking at how to access your email. In order to get onto the Office 365 email, you must first log into Office 365. If you're unsure how to do this, I have already created another video to show you how. Once you're on this page, you're going to open up the program Outlook. Outlook is the email client. I'm going to click on Outlook, and it's going to be take me onto the Outlook page. Here I've got all the emails received, and for this example, I've just got a test email from one of the technicians. I'm now going to send an email. Maybe I want to have a question for a teacher about some recent homework. So to do that, I'm going to click on New Message. Now, you may not know the teacher's email address, but that's not a problem. Just simply type in their surname. So I'm going to send an email to Mr. Hamflet. And there you can see Mr. Hamflet's email address has come up. So I'm going to just click on that, and there it's appeared. I will then add a subject, question about homework. Okay, do enter a subject just because it helps teachers work out what the question is about. Then I will put the actual email in itself. Now, please do write this as if you're writing a letter. It just is more polite, and it's good practice when you are maybe communicating with employers or anything like that. Once you're happy with your email, press send, and that email will then go off to the member of staff in question. When the member of staff will respond, the email will appear in Outlook. So do make sure you check your email on a regular basis if you're expecting emails from teachers. If you need to attach a file, then simply click on New Message, choose the member of staff you want to send it to, then simply click on Attach, browse this computer, and you can select the file that you want to send. Once you've done that, finish off the email in the exact same way as you've done before, press send, and it will send.